Mushrooms are widely known for their great taste and amazing health benefits. Packed with a ton of essential vitamins and minerals, they make for an excellent addition to your diet, adding flavor to many different recipes. In this video, we are showing Enoki mushroom, or we can call it as needle mushroom, or according to the Kerala style as arikona. Enoki mushrooms are some of the most popular edible mushrooms in the world. They are cultivated and praised all around the globe for their special taste and interesting looks, but are especially used in Asia, in particular in Japan. Enoki mushrooms have been cultivated for hundreds of years and are prized in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cuisine and traditional medicine. In China, Enoki mushrooms are rich in vitamins and minerals and are believed to help reduce symptoms associated with intestinal issues, blood pressure, and liver disease. Mushrooms are a rich source of potassium, a nutrient known for reducing the negative impact that sodium can have on your body. Mushrooms, in combination with exercise and other lifestyle changes, can have an important impact on weight loss. Cultivated Enoki mushrooms are very small in size and grow in buckets of tightly packed, long stems topped with petite, convex caps. The snow white caps are tender, smooth, delicate, and are connected to matching white stems that are thin and can grow up to 12 centimeters in length. Cultivated Enoki mushrooms are crisp and firm with a crunchy bite and a mild, fruity flavor. Wild Enoki mushrooms are significantly different in appearance from the cultivated form, as they have larger caps, shorter stems, range in color from orange to brown, are slightly sticky, rubbery, and velvety in consistency, and have an earthier flavor. Mushrooms are a low-calorie food and packed a nutritional punch loaded with many health-boosting vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They have long been recognized as an important part of any diet. Mushrooms exposed to ultraviolet light are a good source of vitamin D, an important component for bone and immune health. Mushrooms are a rich, low-calorie source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They may also help to lessen the risk of developing serious health conditions such as Alzheimer's, heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. In a 100-gram reference serving, Enoki mushrooms provide 37 kilocalories of food energy and are an excellent source of the B vitamins. Enoki mushrooms contain dietary fiber, calcium, potassium, copper, phosphorus, and iron. They are excellent immune system boosters. They have a distinct long and thin shape with small caps at the top. In Asian cuisines, they are usually consumed raw or after minimal cooking. The color of cultivated Enoki mushroom is white or cream, since they are grown indoors in dark locations. Dedicated jars are used in order to force the Enoki mushrooms to develop long stems. Besides being very important as food, the Enoki mushrooms have been considered for a long time to be an effective tonic and used for this purpose in traditional Asian medicine. Enoki mushrooms are able to decrease the level of cholesterol in the blood due to their content of beta glucan. The first step in cooking them is rinsing in order to remove any dirt and other impurities. Enoki mushrooms are usually grouped into thick clusters. The root bottom must be cut and discarded. Reduce high cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, and can treat liver diseases and stomach issues. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Bye from Love and White.